the Ahmadu Bello University Zaria, because we don't have any such centers in another part of the country. With the kind permission of Mr. Speaker, I would like to move on this motion and to move that motion taken now.
We have done that, so you're just recognized to move the motion. Just go and move
sorry,
the motion.
Mr. Speaker.
Yes.
The motion is urgent needs to establish a
Speak to your mic, President.
Okay. Motion is on urgent need to establish national stem cells to bone marrow transplant center in Zaria. The House is worried with the growing population of sickle cell disease carriers in the country, especially among children, with the attendant rise in child mortality rates. Disturbed by the non-availability of any curative treatment of this lifelong disease, except the stem cell marrow transplant remedy, which neither the public or the private hospital across the country can boast of a well-equipped unit dedicated for the handling of this life-threatening ailment, and the less privileged can afford the expensive medical care in abroad. Aware that currently there are only 2 centers, one at UCH, which was established about 6 months ago in Ibadan, and the other one at University of the Teaching Hospital, that provide this specialized treatment in Nigeria. The House considers it imperative and expedient that another hemophilia stem cell transplant center be established in Zaria, fully equipped and staffed effectively tackle the menace of this killer disease in the north, and reduce the turnover rate of medical tourism abroad in search of treatment. The House resolved to urge the federal government of Nigeria, through the Ministry of Health, to establish a stem cell bone marrow transplant center at Ahmadu Bello University Zaria without any delay. I move, Mr. Speaker.
Is seconded.